Hi dear friends, here are the 5 set of documents that you need to prepare prior to filling your NEET MDS application form. First is proof of ID. You can either have your Aadhaar card, voter ID, PAN card, passport. The second set of documents that you must provide are the academic documents. That's your BDS degree and your mark sheets from first year to final year with all the attempts. Plus your internship completion certificate and your state and DCI registration. Now, in case if you have not finished your internship at the time of form filling and you're still eligible, you can provide these documents at the time of counseling. The third set of documents are any additional documents that you might need to provide. For example, your caste certificate or disability certificate if it is applicable to your application. Document number 4 is photographs. So there are 2 photographs that you will be asked to provide. One is a passport size photographs, and the pixels and the size will be specified on the website at the time of application. And the second photo that you have to provide is during your form filling with the help of a webcam. And lastly, the 5th set of documents are your signatures and thumb impressions. So you will have to upload a scanned copy of your signature and your thumb impression and make sure that they are clear and legible. I hope this video was useful. Do check out our other video on guidelines for form filling for NEET MDS. We've included the link in the caption below. Thank you and good luck.